In C# we also have another type similar to classes, which is called structure or struct. So in terms of syntax, it's very similar to a class. The only difference is instead of using the class keyword, we use the struct keyword. So similar to classes, structures combine related fields and methods together. But what is the difference? If you read the C# documentation, you're going to see lots of tiny differences between classes and structures, and you're probably going to be even more confused than when you started. I personally don't find these subtle differences very pragmatic. In fact, in the real world, 99% of the time, you will create new types using classes, not structures. The pragmatic guideline I give you in this lecture is use a structure when you want to define a small, lightweight object like this RGB color here, or if you're dealing with something like a point that has an X and a Y. You can certainly define that using a class. There is no problem at all. But if you're in a situation when you want to create thousands or tens of thousands of objects of that type, it's more efficient to define them as a structure. If not, don't worry about it, just stick to classes, because that's what you use most of the time.